Have you ever found yourself staring at an English sentence and thinking, why can't I speak like them? Or why do words seem to vanish from my mind the moment I need them? This is a struggle that millions face every single day, a silent battle against time, distraction, and the invisible walls of language. And yet, hidden within your daily routines are tiny, almost imperceptible habits that can shatter those walls and transform your English skills forever. Just like they did for Liza, a young lady whose journey from timid confusion to confident fluency is nothing short of inspiring. Liza was once the kind of learner who dreaded reading aloud in class, whose notebook was filled with unfinished sentences, and whose voice trembled when asked to introduce herself in English. But one morning, after missing the bus and watching a single English language story unfold on her phone, she asked herself a question. If I only improve a little every day, could I really be fluent in a year? That question ignited a spark, and she decided to commit to 5 small daily habits. Together, like drops forming a river, they carved a new path for her language skills. The first habit she adopted was immersive story listening, dedicating 20 minutes each morning to listening to English stories, while commuting or walking. At first, it seemed trivial, like planting seeds in dry soil. But soon she noticed that words she had struggled to remember began to sprout effortlessly in her mind, and sentences that once felt alien began to sound familiar. Because our brains, much like muscles, need consistent training to turn passive knowledge into automatic skill. The second habit was daily speaking aloud, even if only to herself in the mirror, repeating phrases she learned from her stories, practicing pronunciation as though her mouth were tuning a delicate instrument, a violin of speech. And over time, her voice gained confidence, clarity, and rhythm, reminding her that fluency is less about perfection and more about persistence. Because every small repetition compounds like interest, turning tiny investments of effort into remarkable gains. The third habit was writing short daily reflections in English, where Liza would jot down her thoughts, capturing her emotions, observations, and even her mistakes, because mistakes are signposts guiding her toward mastery. This habit trained her to organize thoughts, expand vocabulary, and strengthen her memory, transforming abstract learning into personal expression, a bridge between thought and articulation. And every reflection became a mirror, reflecting not just language, but self-discovery. The fourth habit she embraced was active vocabulary building through context, not merely memorizing lists of words, but noticing new words in stories or conversations and then embedding them into her daily speech or writing. A technique as powerful as planting rare seeds in fertile soil, watching them take root and flourish. Understanding a word in context allows the mind to grasp its subtle flavors, its role in shaping meaning. And the fifth habit, which tied all the others together, was daily review and self-reflection, where each night Liza would mentally replay what she had read, spoken, and written, questioning herself with curiosity. Could I have expressed this idea better? Did I use this new word correctly? How can I make tomorrow even stronger? This habit created a feedback loop, transforming passive learning into an active dialogue with herself. A conversation that sharpened her mind, honed her intuition for English, and reinforced the neural pathways that carry fluency. What makes these habits extraordinary is not just their simplicity, but their consistency. Because language, like a river carving through rock, transforms landscapes slowly, yet undeniably. Bajan. If Liza can move from hesitation to eloquence in less than a year, what could you achieve if you planted your own seeds? Are you willing to let another year slip by, or will you choose to start now? Small step by small step. By integrating these 5 habits, you are not only learning English, you are rewiring your mind and cultivating confidence. Fluency is less a destination and more a journey, a mosaic formed one tile at a time, and every tile counts. Commit to these habits, embrace the story-driven path, and watch as your English transforms day by day. Join a community of learners dedicated to transformation. Subscribe for more guidance, stories, and actionable techniques.